Hello friends, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to rename admin account in Windows 10 so you can easily change your administrator account name for better security and personalization. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and type Computer Management. This tool helps you manage all the local users, groups, and other system settings in Windows, making it easy to find your administrator account. Step 2. Click on Computer Management from the search results. This opens the Management console where you can access all user accounts and system settings. Step 3. In Computer Management, expand Local Users and Groups. This section contains all the local user accounts and groups on your computer, including the hidden administrator account. Step 4. Click on Users. Here you can see a list of all the accounts available on your Windows 10 system, including guest accounts and your admin account. Step 5. In the list of users, right-click on Administrator. Right-clicking opens a menu with several options, including the ability to rename the account safely. Step 6. Select Rename. This allows you to change the default account name to something unique that only you know, which helps protect your computer. Step 7. Type the new name you want for the administrator account. Make sure to choose a name that is easy to recognize, but not obvious to others. Step 8. Press Enter to apply the change. This confirms the new name and immediately updates the administrator account across Windows. Step 9. Your administrator account is now renamed. You can now log in with the new name, and your system will reflect the updated account name everywhere. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.